wa bitse ba bang ba kopana se fetiwe na yara. Hi guys, sanibona khale ke sale bone oh ndumaka why ke go mara like le kae bathong Dintang for me kopela o nyaka inspiration and work because I don't think I still inspire people because I'm just going through a lot and come quick go on like I give out motho eleng gore look up to now, like that is so embarrassing here. That is so welcome. Dintang kamirir chomi ish kana 2 weeks kilo hile so ke tsela nna ke tsa content to oh guys, now it's hope that need like nah I'm not going through like getting something that has to do with men at this point. Ushabile style ya mathola like ke style ya bana abo ola pile straight I think so. Guys I don't go para bonnet cause like le lebeletse miriraka like kopela like ka wana le miriraka wala bona erkelate parking cause le lebeletse miriri and bana nna like getting shang aring rami weletse ke na yang piritse hyperpigmentation can you see video no snacks ai wa bona ai lena le snacks wa bona maybe like I feel shem cause the snacks Nello che te ke straight chomine henka o botsa ntwe ke nyakileng le ntwe bankirileng yona. It's just that I'm not a bad person. Like I won't post about it saying that what I wanted versus what I got. I just like moved on cause ke tlairang mela wena wantlalanya so that's why ke se moyo na like ya ira like ya bola and go itlhatlhamolla and then life moves on like it ira bjang. Those who post are bad people. No, I'm not saying that. I'm just saying na I can call like na ke khone guys because ona le batho eleng gore ba tlo dumellana le nna and ona le batho eleng gore ba ka se dumellane le nna ntlhalaeng and then now it's a krato bala guys. Like I'm one person or a ke rate ho lwa ka dilo tse ding tse eleng gore like a ke ratola so mo pele di tlo ntlaba like Mendoza Silawera Algai Peel. If yes, do you recommend it? Is Ebile Kenya Koya happy because no. I want to wanna leave on. Kerena Kitty for Calexa Boni. Muchale Falena Calexa Bon like within Naka is ne. Estaba Turkarato, Akibona Halor in Kerato Boni one. But like life in Kirlo Hori Kisabona Halo Get like Rabian Babite Babang Babang Babite Babang Bakupana Kalibi Tolaka Arbona walibo ni musi like I can't see onte o tlaka ka di makeup litso ona ke tsa content lindo go kopela next o letse ke moedi Solanke phala ya ka tla re bone ya hao he wa miti Tom Mari wait ke rile video ne but I was like ish ke rile mabani Rosin yesterday when was it nele na ko kira video ya barking Halloween o kanele Saturday and I was like, ish, I don't really happy. Kim on crazy. Uluhile like 2 weeks back. Why, guys? Like Langecha. Langecha. Straight back will humble you. My hairline is big. Yeah, I started there, guys. It's just that my hair's big, like it's bad. So, wait, guys, Ebile nka se le botse makane bona le sfatla sa ka sirang se tsari iso go ka the makeup and stuff but then like diso tsa ka di santse di le teng wa bo like batla ba nlo straight up I meant to say that and then straight up se ne ke se batlang like asira the way and guys it's okay like she's my girl and then we really pause because nerja heal and stuff and I was like it's okay para wabona wait why ke tlo bosa nnete ne like aksana metsi ka mkhone ka anwang like ka no but then aksana ka mkhone ka anwang like he ke tsoa ka notagi like and then ke tsela tsa gore ke tswela pele ka yona dulenyana tse bjao and I really need to stop Actually, I want to stop, not, yeah, ke like ke a batla gore ke emenyana ka bjala cause ka mokgwa ke nwang a o sa le healthy, like a o sa kgatlhisa. Yeah, oily food cause no, ka mokgwa ke nwang bjala ke phela ke ja takeaway wa ntlhalane a ke sana le nako ya wa peya o irang, so every fucking time like ke ja ke nwa bjala ke nanne KFC, like KFC, so ish. Ke tla tlhola January because ke feel ka re o late or ke tlwele bjala, ke feel ka re like o late or ke be serious ka gym ke je dilo tse healthy ke tlwele bjala aowa, like how late exactly wa ntlhalanya o tsena ka church mo kana it's not aowa le ba reng like re serious ka life, like aowa o late wena go lata ntshepa go late mmata you'll start next year ke December already wa ntlhalanya, so like ke tla e bona pila next year. Ngwana o robala ka Facebook eo ngwana witse ke tlo founela ne a ke shock cause yo ka like yo ka babelo like mo killing a ke sharp nga re nka phanya like yo oh guys awa ngwana o ka re nka phanya like a ke monate a ke sure ko robala ka yona re bjang, but a ke monate mo killing like wait thapela ke tlo founela wait tsemleng ka founela wena ke ba shapo yo phanya chomi yo like lena a le tlhaloganya witse like yo and then you're alone. Re botse no guys robala ka yona o pila mfana no wait why bless fa tlosa ka sele so is because like ke na le makeup ke robala ka ona ene wena ngwa bona le are ke bona ro bara tang wait e re ke le botsene wait ke tlo bua guys nene mo ke buang le ka se because no I'm going through grief, like I can tell like kidding. This is the first time like ho tlokofala motho e leng gore o close le nna ntlalanya and I get ntlalanya and e rahetse mo e leng gore like ba ntlhadile ko ka tlokofala, so it's that thing ya gore ish ke tswile mo tabeng tsa mojolo eng but then ke nana gore Sunday ke tla kerekeng and then ke bua every time like kereka ka isetsa ko kwaka, so ke ba kerekeng ke ya ko kwaka ene ke tsana ko kamoreng ya like everything is still the same and I'm like nothing has changed in here except that ko kwaka hati ngwantlhalanya, so every time like ke nana ka yona enkutlisa botlhoko and I'm like go ba bjang like how tlhokofala batho e leng gore like ke phela le bona thata like bana ba ko hae mama ka ditšhomi tsa ka eng guys like leso le ka mokhomo wetse like na leso ne le santsene bjao until le tlhokofala ko kwaka ke re like he ke tsena ka kamoreng ya hae ke bona gore like everything is still the same except that yena ha teng like a ona ntho e tshentshitseng ka kamoreng and then ke lebella like yena ha teng wa ntlhalanya ne, so like go tlhoko like thata and into it or like you end up losing your spark wa ntlhalanya just like me like I lost my spark and I get sharp because like I'm no longer the same person that I used to be wa ntlhalanya wa ileng gore ke reng aksa chronology ya content ke etsang noise because like I have getting campaigns and I have to submit cause vele ke zaka dilonyana tse so wantlhalang as much as you go through a lot and all that you have to submit and you have to wantlhalang so getting every time ke ya kerekeng ne ke na lolofa kerekeng ke na no re like beke leng gore ko kwa ka o tlhofetse ka yona ne I went to church and I was like ka kopela dithapelo and I was like and ka ba botsa gore ko kwa ka le ka shapo ke kopela ba mo rapelle eng and then the week like ka beke eo ko kwa ka tlhokofala and sometimes like o wa iputsisa gore like modimo o teng na ka nnete or bjang na cause ke reng yo I prayed like I prayed so hard gore ko kwa ka afole hello wa ntlhalanya ne like ke rapetse ka ya kerekeng ka rapela like the whole week le Sunday ya teng ka rapela gore modimo a mo fodise dilonyana tse bjao and then like on Wednesday wa teng like a tlhokofala and ke iputsisa gore like ya kgonala na like ya kgonala nto e raetseng gore o rapela modimo gore a folise motho e leng gore she's close to you or he's close to you and then after fetso rapela o rapetse thata and then motho a tlhokofale like ya kgonala na guys yo like life e ka mokgwa mongwe itse like utlwa ke sa tshepe till this day like I ke tshepe because ka nako eo ne ke tshepa modimo like ne ke rapela every day I was so grateful like ke tsoa kirang like ne ke rapela every day wa tlhalanya and then ko kwa ka alwala irang and then ke rapela gore modimo a mo fodise eng and then o ka re like dithapelo tsaka a ke tse di a fella kae and then I had plans because ne ke thoma o hira dilo ko ntlong ya ko kwa ka kirang wa tlhalanya I won't say because nna ke motho e leng gore ke ra dilo ko hae but a ke motho e leng gore ke rata di bulela online gore ke rileng but then I started to take care of my grandmother like ke mirela lotso tsotlhe like everything that she needed I would ke di tlisa kirang and then a tlhokofala like out of the blue and there was like a ka tshepa wa tlhalanya because batho ba bantši be leng gore okay they close to me ba tlhokofetse ke sa le ngwana I didn't understand or iralang but ko kwa ko tlhokofetse mo e leng gore ko mohole and it's like like leso like motho a tlhokofala fele o ka se tlo mmona dilonyana tse bjao so I feel like I've lost my spark like mo e leng gore ke reng I don't know how to come back obo di-post tse ke di-postang is because I have to post them like get the campaign and stuff but it's hard mara ke tla reng like ke life guys nna ke tla reng mara you're gonna come back I hope so like I wish like ke reng So wait mo kering wait ko kwa kane ne le motho eleng gore like o strict and all that, but then she understood me like everything ene ke irang ne ke tsoro ke nka ya ko kwa ka tsoro ko ira so ene ka motlhalosetse le no tlo tlhalohanya dilenyana tse bja wa ntlhalanya. And now wait guys ke motho mongwe ne I live in the moment like no I can see like kono bona nene but I ke motho eleng gore ke a post about my life like there's a lot going on in my life until like lo tse dintšhi di irahala the good the bad but then ke motho eleng gore I live in the moment. I even forget gore ke tse di video ke tse di picture eng like even with my friends like nka ba le tšhomo tsa ko ke nte otlhe ka ba le video e one dilonyana tse bjabo and I don't like to post as much as like I'm a content creator. Tshwantse bile gore ke posting ke na lo lebala cause I keep posting so like there's so many memories with me and my grandmother and everyone else in my life eleng gore ba phela le nna eng mantlhalanya and I'm like maybe I need to start taking like pictures and videos with everyone that I love because life e come common like you can wake up and wa lose motho ka osane wa kry lore motho a sale teng and you have no memory of that person like mo phone or anything like that but then you guys have so many memories together but you didn't take any videos and pictures and like you can't even like look at those pictures or videos and then or like you know what like nna le motho o kine re le close dilonyana tse bja wa bo so like it's been almost 5 months but it feels like it was yesterday. We usually don't take pictures with the real ones like when I'm with my friends or my family I don't usually take pictures or videos because like I don't think about taking content because I'm just there like okay moment I'm being me and I'm with my real ones. I don't have to take videos or pictures to prove a point or anything like that. I don't bash anyone who does that but like I don't need to mara now I feel like I need to start doing that because life is so unpredictable like you can lose someone eleng gore o phetsele ena peke otlhe and then ka osane a tswa a stay busy Saturday mfana ke a partying chomi unless a Sunday and the moment they pass on that's when you realize it's actually necessary like wantlhalohanya ne ke ntse le nna ke boneng gore o itse ke nne honestly I should have
damaging your skin. Protect it every day with Garnier Super UV Invisible Serum.
sorry batong abo after and I console myself God at least he was old but sometimes nako ka kana sa tsofala guys wetsi like o ka kana sa tsofala like this is like nasa tsofala tsela tsa hore a sa khone kirelang eng ko ka kana kirela like everything and I wouldn't say she was still young but then she was still like at her early 60s and nasana le matla so ke tseo. Thata modimo botlhoko thata ebile especially mo e leng gore a wa expecta sharp. Guys, my friend was calling me, so re tla bolela ke tlo boapila ke le sharp. Ke tlo live happy ke le sharp, like tsatsi le ke yang live again. Maybe I'll be a better person, like I'll be fine, and then antlhalaya. But for now, like I can sharp, like I can matla or like anything, because every time ke nagana ka life ke no nagana gore tse keng yo. So yeah, ke lebetse lore o enta kae live